Hello? Do you want to play a game? I choose to be.
Il va y avoir de la danse, j'aime autant vous le dire.
Faut dire bonjour à YouTube qu'il faut que j'arrête d'oublier tout le temps, les pauvres. Et du coup, bah, j'espère que nous passerons une excellente partie. Nouvelle partie. Non mais, je suis en train de me demander, vous entendiez? Attendez, est-ce que c'est rentré en conflit avec... Pendant la pause musicale, vous entendiez bien... Pendant la pause, vous entendiez bien que la musique de Spotify, non? In the place. Ouais. Des fois, j'ai envie de me prendre comme quand je suis à la radio et de commencer à dire n'importe quoi. Donc, ouais, pardon, ma question, c'est vous entendiez la musique du son, la musique du jeu, je vais y arriver, pendant la pause musicale ou juste la musique de Spotify tout court? Enfin, c'était sur Spotify, donc la musique de Risk of Rain. Bon, bref. Quand on va recommencer le bonjour YouTube, du coup. Puis on continue Disco Elysium. Et on est parti pour aller interroger... Oula, c'est fort. Pour aller interroger la dame qui garde le bateau. Si elle est toujours là. J'aurais peut-être dû... Non, ouais. Alors. Que de la musique, ah, c'est nickel. Amarrage réservé aux résidents de la rue Saint-Ghislaine 33A. Elle est toujours là, elle est toujours là. Votre chambre au Whirling n'est pas beaucoup plus grande que ce voilier. Riche, elle est riche.
A striking woman leans against the cabin top of her sailing boat, smiling as you approach. Her green raincoat glistens with droplets. A silk scarf is tied around her throat.
L'élégance.
Good evening, officers. I'm Joyce.
Elle vous tend la main en guise de salutation.
Joyce L. Messier. I represent the board of Wild Pines, the owners of the harbour. You gentlemen must be from the RCM.
Elle se rapproche et vous tend la main. Attendez. Joyce L, que signifie le L? La MCR, c'est quoi? Qu'est-ce qui nous a trahis? Lui serrer la main? Ne pas lui serrer la main. Joyce L, c'est quoi le L?
My maiden name.
Sa main osseuse pendouille de la manche de son imperméable trop grand pour elle. Qu'est-ce qui nous a trahi? Je vais la laisser pointer.
I've said it to every drunk in town and you're the first one who's responded.
Ouais? Merde.
What is implied here? That you're a drunk?
Je suis pas un ivrogne, je suis un agent de
Of course
police.
you're not. It was only a joke.
Et maintenant, je lui serre la
I'm
main.
glad to see you here.
Sa poignée de main est ferme et froide, elle a l'air soulagée.
Like steel. There is strength there. If she wanted, she could sink her nails deep into your skin.
I was dispatched to handle a strike, not a lynching. Anything I can do to assist the RCM in this matter, I will, gladly.
That is good to hear, madame. My colleague will take the lead on this interview. I should let you know that he is recovering from an unusual medical episode. Very unusual. But I can assure you of his ultimate competency.
C'est la première fois qu'il met genre des formes et tout pour qu'on ait l'air sérieux.
It happens quicker than a shooting star. But did the lieutenant just wink at you?
How interesting. I wish you a swift recovery. In the meanwhile, you have my full cooperation, and the full cooperation of the Wild Pines group.
It's showtime! Alors, qu'est-ce que ça va donner?
It's hard to get a read on her precise disposition, but she appears helpful.
Vous êtes sur un bateau.
Why, yes I am.
Pas beaucoup de gens en bateau, non? Il y a un nom, ce bateau. Vous avez un permis pour le bateau? Il y a pas beaucoup de gens en bateau, non?
Of course there are. We're on an archipelago. How else are you supposed to get around?
Attendez, on est sur un archipel? Regarde autour de
Yes,
vous.
we are on Le Caillou.
Le Caillou. Ah, attendez, je croyais qu'on était sur Revachol ou... N'empêche que j'ai jamais vu quelqu'un naviguer sur un bateau ici. Attendez, je croyais qu'on était à Revachol.
We are. And the city of Revachol is on the island of Le Caillou.
N'empêche que je n'ai jamais vu quelqu'un naviguer sur un bateau ici.
I haven't seen anyone else drive a souped-up Capri Kenema motor carriage either.
Actually, that motor carriage has been specially issued to serve as a patrol and pursuit vehicle.
Bien sûr.
It's for crossing long distances in the greater Revachol industrial harbor. It's not a toy.
Neither is this. A toy, I mean. It's a machine for crossing long distances in the Bay of Revachol, between the city and the islands.
She's having a good time arguing against the law. Too good, perhaps.
Vous avez un permis?
Officer, I assure you I'm a highly qualified pleasure craft operator.
The crowns of her teeth are porcelain, white as the boat's hull as she smiles. Qualified pleasure craft operator. So charming. Where's the damn license?
Je peux voir votre permis.
I just renewed its safety inspection last month, officers. It is completely seaworthy. In fact, it's taken part in not one, but two insulindic regattas.
Elle n'a pas le
Even
permis,
finished
c'est sûr.
once.
Qu'est-ce qui s'est passé lors de la course?
The other time, I would have finished the race were it not for an urgent work matter, much like the one I'm on now.
T'as toujours besoin de voir un permis en fait.
Actually, you don't.
Ouais, que vous voulez dire?
The Wayfarer Act specifically denies the RCM the authority to demand anyone's operator license. It's a little-known fact among us law officials.
Attendez, à quel point ce fait est-il méconnu? Plutôt la loi de l'anarchie, si je peux exprimer mon opinion. Donc on ne peut pas arrêter des civils au hasard et contrôler leurs papiers, c'est naze. C'est logique, je suppose. Je veux dire, regardez-moi. Vous oubliez cette stupide loi de voyageur, j'ai une autre question. Attends. À quel point
I
c'est
was
méconnu?
just being polite. Even school children know the Wayfarer
Ah.
Act.
D'accord. Bon bah je vais dire
No
que c'est
need to
l'anarchie.
politicize this. You may still ask for the lady's passport.
You need to save face if you want her respect. Demand that passport.
Ouais, je veux bien voir le
Of
passeport.
course.
Elle fouille dans les poches de son imperméable et en sort une liasse de documents contenus dans un plastique scellé. Non!
She nods and returns the plastic bag to her coat.
Bon, c'est pas grave. Il a un nom, le bateau?
The boat? No. It is called Cor de Leyte 19 because that's the type of sloop it is.
The word it feels strange. Such a beautiful boat deserves a proper name. A breeze ripples through the sails and tugs at your hair. Below, the sleek, fish-like shape of the hull parts the water. Beneath that, a resounding darkness. You're reminded of something. Or someone.
Super, mais votre bateau a besoin d'être baptisé.
Okay. How about Cor de Leyte 19? Why?
Elle tape sur la côte du bateau qui fait un bruit creux.
Because it was manufactured in Revachol East by a company called Cor de Leyte, and its hull is 19 paces long.
Mais pourquoi pas le poisson agile? Pourquoi pas ex quelque chose? Pourquoi pas Dolores? Pourquoi pas Dolores?
Why Dolores?
Je sais pas, c'est joli. Ce nom me plaît pour une raison quelconque.
Well, it means nothing to me. I think I'll stick with the factory name. But thank you for the suggestion. My sloop? I like it a lot. It's the eel's hips, baby.
I'm enjoying this part of the interview. It has so little to do with the murder we're investigating.
Tu m'as dit de faire n'importe quoi.
I really do, the lieutenant thinks. Is she thrown off yet? He's looking at the woman, assessing her.
Good.
Je peux avoir de l'argent.
Is what you want to say, but it isn't that easy, is it?
Pourquoi pas?
Look at that lady. Take a gander. Squint your eyes, bub.
Quel beau tissu. Que ses chevaux sont éclatants. Quel beau tissu.
Why, yes. Tucked away under that sturdy green raincoat, almost rustic in its simplicity,
C'est un
a
peu bizarre.
silk shirt and matching scarf around her gentle throat, while dull orange pearls hang from her earlobes, red from the cold. Her light green eyes scan you, full of knowledge and worry, wealth and all its possibilities.
Ouais, et alors?
Now look at you, you misery-clad simian, barely able to tie your own laces. Your armpits are lakes. A scythe of booze precedes you. Your hair sticks to your forehead, and your underwear feels uncomfortable.
Très... Très flatteur.
You're poor, poor as balls. You can't ask this person for money. You're too...
Honte? J'ai pas honte. Quelle est donc cette sensation? Je l'ai jamais ressentie auparavant. Je suis un putain de travailleur, il n'y a pas de honte à avoir à secouer cette sangsue pour le soutirer un peu d'argent. Et pourtant je devrais avoir honte, ne serait-ce que pour y avoir pensé. C'est une femme et je suis un homme. Oui, je devrais gagner ma propre croûte depuis le temps.
You think your little communism protects you from this feeling. No. The more demeaning it is to grovel at her feet.
Ouais.
Oh God, the lieutenant is here too. Do not dishonor the force.
As I was saying, if there's any way I may be of assistance, please don't hesitate to ask.
Bon. Alors. On va parler de Wildpines.
What we do. I'm afraid I don't speak for Wild Pines as a whole. It's a giant undertaking.
Ok. Alors que fait le groupe?
The Pines' core competency is logistics. Container shipping, freight, that sort of thing. See those airships there, blinking? Those are the shipping side of things. And that is the terminal. Another subdivision deals with energy, oil and gas exploration, offshore platforms.
Combien d'argent possède Wildpines?
I'm not at liberty to discuss the company balance sheet, but I can tell you that last year, the company booked more than 20 billion real in revenue.
A billion?
C'est quoi exactement un milliard? Impressionnant. C'est tout? Des chiffres comme ça veut rien dire. Ok, c'est quoi un milliard?
It's a number, officer. A big one.
Et il contient quoi?
It's made of 1,000 millions. A million is made of 1,000 thousands.
Attendez, c'est tout? Je crois que c'est...
And to think, there are years when the group books losses in the billions.
Ah d'accord, c'est ça le
Wild Pines employs 72,000 people, all of whom have families that depend on their salaries. It is a tremendous responsibility.
Attendez, mais d'où sortent tous ces milliards de
They
Wildpines?
started as an exploration and cargo fleet conducting trade
Rien à
between the
foutre.
Samaran and Insulindian Easterlers 250 years ago, when pine ships explored the South Seminese and charted Lomantang on behalf of the suzerain. Centuries of care, deliberation, and madness have gone into this endeavour. Vessels pass through the great unrest to re-emerge with apricots in tow. The logic of the system is totalizing. It's taken everything from its employees to build it.
Qui a l'intention de faire un système aussi énorme avec un endroit comme celui-ci?
You mean aside from being the terminal's legal owners, who are responsible for moving 8% of the world's cargo?
8% de tout le frais dans le monde, c'est une sacrée entreprise. Vous ne faites pas vous-même le transport, ce sont les travailleurs qui le font, l'entreprise n'a rien sans eux. C'est tout ce que je voulais savoir, parlons d'autre chose.
We built this district.
C'est
All the best parts of it. Rue de Saint-Ghislain, with its bastions. The plazas Meteor and Mosaic. Even some of the old street lamps have been put back thanks to the investments from the WP. Before Martinez was swallowed by the industrial harbour, even before it was part of Revachol, long before Terminal B was erected here, the Pines built it as a resort for its Revacholian employees. A company getaway, for a weekend or a summer holiday. Then came the revolution. But that's another matter. I'm here to make sure the Pines can fulfill their responsibilities to the place they built.
With your help, hopefully, says her warm tone.
Le temps d'aller. Oh!
Voila, you're doing it.
Vous avez l'air riche, je peux avoir un peu d'argent? Je peux avoir un peu d'argent? Aidez-moi, je suis pauvre, j'ai besoin d'argent. Vous avez l'air riche.
Why, yes, I am rich. How much money do you need? Hopefully not too much. I couldn't bring all of it with me.
She's surprisingly nonchalant about this. Could it be that she somehow knows more about your predicament than she's letting on?
Attendez, je vais essayer... j'ai besoin d'1 milliard de
Excuse
réals.
me, sir. I don't have a billion real.
De quoi? Je pensais que vous aviez 20 milliards ou quelque chose comme ça.
That was the annual revenue of the entire Wild Pines Group. Not my
On va
personal
prendre pour un
fortune.
débilus.
Try again, dear. A little lower this time.
Je peux lui demander ça? Ça marchera jamais.
Come now. Nobody carries that much cash on their person. Particularly in a place like Martinez. I'd get robbed.
Je sais pas, je pense rien. Hein. Juste, elle va me filer le sou et sa condescendance, quoi, c'est tout.
And even if I did, I still would not give you 10,000 real. I would rather buy something nice with it, like expensive hi-fi or a new hydrodynamic E40 sail.
Hi-Fi, j'adore aussi ma musique disco haute fidélité.
I like high-fidelity anything, sir. Now, try again, but lower.
Bon, allez, 70.
That's a good sum. Not too small, not fantastically large, like a billion.
Bon, bah, les bouteilles, c'est plus la peine.
She removes a few notes and hands them to you. The paper is cold and oily to the
Désolée,
touch.
je suis contente de savoir que je vais pouvoir dormir
There
quelque part ce
must
soir.
be about 200 real in that zip bag, maybe a little less, plus some change at the bottom. Whoa, whoa! Did you see how easy that was? Ask her for more. Toot toot, train to Moneytown.
Tut, tut. Non, ce serait déshonorant. Non, ce serait déshonorant. Et mon honneur, c'est ma vie.
Can you eat honor? Are you an omnivore? Give me a break.
Tu vois, elle m'a rien demandé, elle m'a juste filé des
So,
thunes. Hein.
I hope I didn't just bribe you, officer. It may not be technically illegal under the Emergency Act, but still.
C'est vrai que vous m'avez corrompu, je suis votre petit péon. Je suis un policier honorable, l'un des derniers hommes droits de Revachol. Je suis toujours en train de cogiter sur ce concept d'argent. Vous n'avez fait que m'aider dans mes réflexions, parlons autre chose. Ah oui, c'est bien ça.
You're right, ma'am, that donations are permitted under the Emergency Act, and seemingly as it
désolé,
may be,
vous avez entendu
as
des
long as
clap-clap.
they're properly logged with the precinct.
Pas de miel sans abeilles. Ouais. J'espère qu'elle me les redemandera pas.
Which he most certainly will do. Now, how else can I help the RCM
Bon, allez.
today, besides supplementing its salaries?
On va lui montrer la
That's
photo.
the man who was killed. I'm afraid this is a discussion for once we've cleared the lynching question.
Donc vous savez quelque chose sur les tatouages. Très bien, on en reparlera plus tard. Pourquoi? Quel est le lien entre le lynchage et vous qui regardez la photo? Vous savez
Better
c'est
not
quelque chose sur
tie
les
the
tatouages.
fourth day to the bat's day on this. I hope there is something else I can help you with.
Pas
She
compris l'expression.
wants to answer the question. Protocol keeps her from it.
Équerre. Bon alors la grève.
Everything. Right up to, but not including, trade secrets.
Une seconde. Et si je veux en savoir plus sur les secrets commerciaux? Quel est votre rôle dans tout ça? Une seconde, si je veux
First,
savoir.
you'd have to repeal the Emergencies Act of Trade and Aliments. That
Ouais, je
gives
pense.
me the right to silence. It's quite the octopus.
Parce qu'en fait, ils l'ont décrit comme quelqu'un avec une poigne d'acier, tout ça. Donc je pense que c'est fait exprès. Hein. Il faudrait d'abord abroger la loi sur la situation... D'accord. Pieuf, je vais la
Good
massacrer.
luck is only kept in place by the vested interests of half the civilized world. including your own.
What the ma'am means is that the Emergencies Act and the RCM both get their authority from the coalition government.
Ah bon? Ouais.
But I am derailing us. You wanted to know about the strike. I believe the official title is Senior Labour Negotiator. In practice, I'm a grocery clerk. I relay the union's demands to Wild Pines and return with Wild Pines' counteroffer.
And how are the talks going?
They're not. That's the problem. The union stopped all negotiations a week ago, after that awful lynching took place.
Wait, she just admitted that the lynching and the strike are connected.
Now they won't even let me into the harbour. There's a 2-meter 20 racist behemoth blocking the gates.
On parlait de Josh Caboche.
Yes, Jean-Luc Measurehead.
Et donc la grève a un lien avec le lynchage.
Yes, I believe there is a connection. But that's a subject for later.
Mais pourquoi plus tard?
She's resolute in this, yet you sense that she wants to tell you. You'll have to earn her trust first.
Ok. Comment se passaient les discussions avant le
Let's
lynchage?
say I was not making the kind of progress I'd hoped for when I first arrived.
And when did you first arrive?
I arrived 3 weeks ago. Yes, in the middle of February. The bay was still partially frozen then. I prefer to do these things on site, like the RCM.
But the strike began in December.
I wasn't the original negotiator here. I took over after Mr. Gaumont hit a wall with Mr. Clare, the union boss. Mr. Clare refused to speak with Gaumont despite concessions he'd granted the union in prior negotiations.
Bizarre ça.
This isn't the first time the union has gone on strike.
Heavens no. There have been 2 prior strikes. Both times the union won significant concessions, including overtime pay and a medical plan. This time their demands are more, I guess you could say, aggressive.
Quelles sont leurs revendications?
There are leaflets everywhere and banners. What did they say again? Oh yes. Every worker, a member of the board.
Une posture communiste hyper agressive, on dirait qu'ils ne savent pas comment mener à bien des affaires. Ça me plaît, je ne sais pas quoi penser. Bon, faut que je gagne sa confiance, c'est ça?
In its defense, another said, demand democracy. Pretty tame stuff compared to every worker, a member of the board.
La plupart d'entre eux ne savent probablement pas ce que ça signifie.
Fortunately, they explained it. Every time the Wild Pines group makes a decision about anything, it needs the signature of each of the 2,200 workers in its Martinez terminal.
La vache.
Just so you understand, this is but one of 22 terminals owned by Wild Pines. Essentially, not only are they kings of the company, they are also kings of the 72,000 employees of Wild Pines Group.
Je dois admettre que c'est assez marrant. Les travailleurs ne peuvent pas être rois. Le roi, c'est le roi. Et puis, ou alors, le roi est mort, longue vie aux travailleurs. Je dois admettre que c'est rigolo.
They're having a blast. But how can they afford it? After 4 months, my assumption was they would prefer a more practical solution.
Qu'allez-vous faire?
I'm not sure. Naturally, I assume that was just their opening position, a hard-nosed tactic with a side of mockery. But there's been no follow-up, just the same nonsensical slogan repeated over and over again. And now, people are getting lynched, I hear. Behind the whirling in rags. A disastrous situation if there ever was one.
Excuse me, from whom did you hear about this lynching?
I first heard it from the bowyer at the gates. The one whose very name advertises his aversion to work. I think he said it was, "Call me mañana."
This checks out.
Ok. Il lui arrivait quoi à ce gourmand?
Mr. Clare told him to... How did he put it? Fuck off, midget. Gaumont is short of stature, you see.
Cool.
Yes. Extremely. Keep in mind, this is a negotiator Mr. Clare has worked with before, and who was more than fair with him and the union.
Sounds like usual aggressive posturing.
Mhm. Que pensez-vous d'Evrard?
Everard Clare is a man of the utmost integrity. If you can say one thing about him, it's that he always puts the interests of the workers first.
Ah, vraiment?
Of course not. Everard is fantastically corrupt. I imagine he has a thick, viscous goo where you and I have blood.
Pas de doute, vous parlez bien d'Evrard. C'est pas un si mauvais bougre. Vous parlez bien
He is
d'Evrard.
the most corrupt individual I have ever seen, and I deal with men like him for a living. If there is anyone more venal, more irredeemably nepotistic, then it's his twin brother, Edgar.
Quand, je me rappelle avoir entendu parler de
Have
Edgar.
you seen him?
Non. Oh.
Edgar looks exactly like his brother, except for that lazy eye. He also talks exactly like Everard does, and when one's term as foreman is up, the other takes over.
Mais c'est à Edgar que j'ai parlé, je pensais que c'était à Evrard.
It's how they circumvent the term limits, you see, with a funny little switcheroo. While in office, they've embezzled God knows how much of their workers' dues.
Qu'en est-il du syndicat lui-même en dehors des frères Clair?
The Debarders Union was once a perfectly normal institution. 20 years ago, anyway. It must not have been easy to establish under the Emergency Act, but they did it. I can respect that. Organised labour at its best, as they say. Then something happened in the local chapter elections. The brothers Clare came and transformed it into a... how do you say?
A mob. The Debarders are a crime syndicate. Sad as it may be, we are forced to cooperate with them.
Refreshingly honest, officer. The company has tried appeasing in the past, but I'm afraid our concessions have only emboldened Everard and his brother. And your opinion, detective, if I may ask? I'm a curious and talkative person, you see. Would you say the Debarders Union is...
Un défenseur efficace des droits des travailleurs locaux, une censurante qui suce la vie de Revachol, une mafia communiste. En gros.
Indeed, and a hungry one. Sadly, Wild Pines have cooperated with what amounts to a crime syndicate for 2 decades. However much you feed the leech always hungers.
Ouais, c'est totalement ça. Faut mieux pas leur dire de conneries, hein, sinon tu finis mal. Encore une chose, vous avez dit que quelque chose s'était passé lors des élections.
I'm glad you asked. There was a woman, the previous forewoman of the union. She disappeared.
Disappeared?
Yes. On the last day of the local chapter elections, her daughter phoned in and said she wasn't running anymore. Or coming to work. Ever. End of story.
This forewoman, her name?
Cette contremaître avait-elle un nom? Comme c'est bizarre, ça arrive probablement une sorte d'extension. Attendez, elle avait un nom?
Sadly, the company records do not even give a name. She's just forewoman in private correspondence, Polly. I don't even know if it's a sir or given name, and I don't have access to the union's files.
Probablement une sorte d'extorsion.
Indeed. The company suspects foul play, but there's nothing they could do. It was a union matter. The point of the presentation is, these kinds of things happen around the Clares. Watch out when you're dealing with him.
Thank you for your concern, ma'am. We'll be just fine.
Et donc, les roufions, c'est vous qui les avez
The
envoyés?
scabs? You mean the huddled masses of Jamrock, come to plead for work where the union refuses to?
Don't let her answer it herself.
Non, je veux bien parler des roufions. Appelons-les des briseurs de grève. C'est vous qui les avez déployés ici. Vous avez raison, je ne sais pas ce qui m'a pris. Il semblerait que ce jargon de cœur dégénéré. Ah, les briseurs de grève.
If these strikebreakers were organized by Wild Pines or its affiliates, then it would be a company secret. I could not share it with you.
D'accord,
Not yet, at least.
ok.
Of course. How else can I help?
En fait, j'ai parlé à Evra Claire.
You have. And how did you like Mr. Clare?
Ce que je l'aime pas trop, c'est un homme magnifique et juste. Evra Claire est un héros du mouvement des travailleurs, c'est le champion à qui je jure fidélité. C'est un socialiste arc-en-ciel bouffi. Je peux faire des affaires avec lui, pour un socialiste il est raisonnable. n'est pas le champion que j'ai choisi. Je veux vous jurer fidélité ainsi qu'à la cause du capital. Ok, c'est un socialiste arc-en-ciel bouffé, je
Oh,
crois.
come on now. He has his uses. How else would he have stayed in power all these years? Or wait, actually, corruption. That's how he's done it. Fantastic, Verm-like corruption, reaching into the bowels of the earth.
The position of my unusual colleague does not reflect official policy. I hope you understand. The RCM does not pick sides.
Of course. And I don't expect you to share anything he told you with me. I'm not a corrupt Verm myself. However, if you felt like discussing something,
Ah, j'ai peut-être,
how could I stop you? Are we not human? Are we not curious to hear another person's take? It's only natural. We would only be gossiping.
Tell her she'll like you for it.
Yes, your disgusting necktie agrees completely. Let's gossip.
Ah, ça faisait longtemps qu'elle avait pas parlé de la cravate. Alors, sachant que vous m'avez donné, est-ce que ça rendrait les choses gênantes si je partageais avec vous des informations, je veux dire? Je préférerais parler d'autre chose pour l'instant.
Weird. Oh no. One of the positive things to come from the revolution is the unhindered exchange of information, you see, even when it comes to trade secrets. Which isn't to suggest our talks constitute corporate espionage. Even if they did, it would be fine. But they don't, since you logged the money as a donation, and this is clearly just gossip between friends.
Ok.
Of course, Detective. Should something come... Until
Mais j'ai
then,
pas fini.
is there anything I can help you with?
J'ai eu peur, je croyais qu'elle me demande
Quite
pardon.
a few things, I'm afraid.
Elle se tait pendant un moment, elle contemple quelque chose.
The information I'm to share with you includes sensitive trade secrets. For the sake of my employer, I have to ask for your names and badge numbers.
Attention, commence les vrais
Of
trucs.
course, ma'am. We should have introduced ourselves. I am Lieutenant Kitsuragi
Merde.
from Precinct 57. And this is my colleague from Precinct 41, Detective Dubois.
Mon insigne, oui bien sûr, mon insigne que j'ai sur moi.
He looks at you expectantly. Then it dawns on him.
Je... On va pas avoir mon insigne sur moi en fait.
Oh. And what happened to it, Detective?
Awkwardness washes over the conversation. The woman doesn't like this turn of events.
Vous vous souvenez quand mon collègue vous a dit que j'ai récemment souffert d'une crise médicale inhabituelle? La perte de mon insigne y est liée.
I see. So, are you saying you lost your badge during the course of this episode?
C'est possible, après une nuit de grande consommation d'alcool, j'ai perdu tout souvenir de ma vie et du monde. Je l'ai bouffé, ça se trouve, je me souviens de rien. Oui,
I
Interesting.
can't hear you, darling. Speak up, please.
il faut que je choisisse. Après une nuit de grande consommation d'alcool, j'ai perdu tout souvenir. Et bon, je vais dire ça alors.
Oh dear. I suppose this does explain some of the more curious turns in our conversation.
As I said, ma'am, his technique may be very unconventional, but he is an officer of the RCM.
Of course, I sympathize, but I'm afraid I simply can't share anything more until I've seen that badge.
Ah merde.
Hang on. She's a professional negotiator. She should be open to some sort of mutually beneficial arrangement.
Attendez, quel genre
I
d'arrangement?
mean, favors for favors. A dirty alliance of some sort. Easy. Just offer her a favor. Like I said, nice and dirty.
Il doit bien exister un autre moyen pour me prouver que je suis policier.
I will be frank with you. If I'm going to break protocol, I need to be able to justify it to my superiors. They're going to want to see something very tangible.
You're in, but expect her to drive a hard bargain.
Ok, genre quoi?
Reports from inside Terminal B suggest it's a hub for the local drug trade. This is an open secret in Martinez. The Union controls the terminal, so it goes to reason.
They're profiting from this trade.
The company has tried looking into this matter before, to no avail. Perhaps someone with your authority and resources might turn over the right stones. Or you can recover your badge, though if I may be blunt with you, it sounds like that may be a lost cause.
Detective, a word in private before we continue.
Hey, psst.
Qui ça, moi?
Yes, you. Word on the street is you're ready to start building communism again.
Fonder le communisme?
Yes, you're ready to start building communism again. You've built it before. They've built it before. Hasn't really worked out yet. But neither has love. Should we just stop building love, too?
Difficile de te contredire, on ferait mieux de renoncer à l'amour. L'amour marche du tonnerre pour moi, j'ai la gagne en amour.
Good. We need tender men like you building gargantuan communism. Word on the street is it's going to be 10,000 times larger than any communism
C'est bizarre ce qui se passe
previously
là.
attempted.
Je suis
by
pas très
human beings.
communiste comme flic, non?
Is that right?
La rumeur, d'où est-ce que tu sors ça?
You keep saying things like, down with the bourgeoisie, eat the rich, sodomize the landowners, impale all people who have more than 25 real in their pockets, literally murder all human beings regardless of their political beliefs.
Pas
That
faute.
kind of stuff.
T'as bien résumé la situation, j'ai jamais dit ça, j'ai peut-être dit 2-3 trucs moyennement gauchistes, mais pas ça.
Oh yes, the mask of ambivalence. Don't deny it. You're about to rip it off and reveal the monstrous seven-eyed lamb of global communism that would devour and masticate mankind. Everyone can see that. So tell me, do you have any questions before we fire up the big communism builder? Or do we get right down to it?
C'est quoi cette histoire de communisme?
Failure. It's about failure. Of course you do. You are failure. You are communism. Absolutely vanquished, beaten, curb-stomped, shat on. While everyone else is out partying, having a callous laugh, you will reverse the fortune of the workers of the world. You alone, against every living thing.
Bon alors est-ce qu'on va
Against
être, on va
every human
rebuild
alive.
le communisme ou pas?
800 trillion real
Dites-moi.
in the hands of an impossibly well-organized ruling class. Towering city blocks of bankmen who have the ears of prime ministers. Million-headed armies of nations and the love of your own mother. You against the atom, the charm and the spin, where the whole world failed. Matter failed to bend to human will. Human will failed to get out of bed and tie its laces. You alone, single-handedly, will rebuild the dreams of the working class. Now get to work, comrade.
Alors, dites-moi, on fait quoi? On accepte ou on refuse? C'est parce que j'ai dit des trucs très très communistes, d'accord, c'est pour ça. Choisir. Je vais essayer de... C'est dur, hein, parce que naturellement j'essaye de pas être extrémiste, mais il va falloir le faire.
Oh yeah, get the firing squads and the animal wagons ready.
Attends, t'avais pas parlé de peloton
Too
d'exécution?
late to back out now. You can't make an omelette without breaking a few million eggs.
On va se retrousser à fond les manches et respirer l'air frais. Économie sociale Mazovic. « 3h10. Les gens pensent que le communisme était une idée saugrenue ayant connu un châtiment mérité il y a 40 ans. Une fièvre qui a bouleversé le monde et qui ne s'est plus jamais manifestée. Ils avaient raison. Jusqu'à ce qu'ils se réveillent aujourd'hui. Un corps spirituel ne réagissant qu'aux Commodores rouges, aux michetonneuses et aux Krasmazov. Pour lui, le communisme existe encore. À lui seul, il fera ressurgir la commune de l'année 2 de la faille océanique où elle était endormie, recouverte de fantômes et d'algues. Il est le grand architecte du communisme. Soyez témoin de sa tentative de reconstruction du communisme en l'an 51. Enlever ça là. Comment je fais pour enlever Ok. Alors attends.
This is not going quite as I hoped it would, detective.
À quoi vous vous attendiez au juste?
Honestly, I was expecting you to use your unorthodox technique to keep her off balance, and not volunteer us to be her henchman.
Ou alors on est des larbins? Vraiment, je pensais que ça se passait bien.
This woman is running circles around us. She might have known about your misplaced badge all along, or she's simply an adept improviser.
Merde.
Either way, we've played straight into her hands.
He doesn't let it show, but there is a limit to how much the consequences of your unprofessional behavior can cost the investigation.
On pourrait se contenter de trouver mon insigne.
Oh, that would be fantastic, but do we have the time? The world is large and your badge is 8 by 6 centimeters. You could request a new one from your station, but that would literally take months.
Que proposez-vous? Que nous n'enquêtions pas sur le
No.
trafic?
If there is reasonable suspicion, we must investigate. Otherwise, she could claim we are siding with the Union, or that we are on their take. What I propose is, we ask her, then we investigate, briefly. But do not share the outcome of this investigation with her. We tell her it's done and demand for her information on the lynching.
Ok. Sinon, ça fait...
I'm sure you will, detective.
Attends. Ça me dérange de décevoir Kim. Ouais, bien, bon. Parlez-moi de
You're
ce
back.
pré...
Good. What can I help you with?
Allez, parlez-moi de
It's quite
les
straightforward.
fins.
Someone is using Terminal B to smuggle raw ingredients from the Samar and Isola into Revachol with the Union's blessing. Wild Pines has suspected it for years.
Ingredients for what, ma'am?
Meth and dextroamphetamine, GBL, and various synthetic psychedelics. Honestly, it might be quicker to say what you can't make from the stuff.
Si je comprends bien, les ingrédients sont acheminés de Samara à Revachol via le terminal.
Yes. After they clear the terminal, we lose track. The actual production is taking place at various sites in and around Jamrock Quarter, north of here.
Wild Pine seems to be well apprised of the local drug trade, ma'am. Do you mean to say the Union also produces the product? Sells drugs, I mean?
We're in logistics. It's our business to know. And no. As far as the company knows, the Union does not produce it. They transport the ingredients for a cut. Yes, but you won't get anything out of Evrat and the Dockworkers Union. Still, every chain has its weak link.
Est-ce que je vais avoir besoin de ma pince coupante?
Unlikely, officer. I'm talking about the lorries. Once the ingredients reach Jamrock, they're distributed to a network of local manufacturers, well beyond our grasp. But in transit, they may be vulnerable.
J'aurais peut-être pas dû m'engueuler avec le raciste qui dit Welcome to Revachol.
Perhaps you've noticed that a number of lorries are tangled in a traffic jam at the roundabout just now. Interview the drivers who are still hanging about. One of them might be waiting for a crucial
Merde.
shipment.
Her irises are light green, like the river Esperance in bright daylight, upstream where it's clearer.
I'll be explicit. If you find this driver, I will share company secrets with you.
D'accord.
You'll be indebted to her, in a way, but one step ahead of the Union in another.
Pourquoi n'êtes-vous pas venu voir la MCR plus tôt? C'est donc pas une coïncidence que les camions soient échoués à cet endroit, hein. De quelles preuves impliquant le syndicat disposez-vous? Bien, j'ai pris ma décision concernant l'enquête sur la contrebande. En fait, parlons de quelque chose d'autre pour le moment. De quelles preuves c'est donc pas une coïncidence?
No. We asked East Motor Track to raise the drawbridge. The road company is a partner of one of our subsidiaries. However,
On essaie qu'on fait fermer le... J'ai pas tout compris.
this is a limited time opportunity. Once the complaint has been processed by the Trade Committee, they'll have no choice but to lower the drawbridge, and the operation will continue.
Ça doit être un coin qu'on n'a pas vu, je pense que c'est le coin qui est tout à l'est
Thousands
de la
of
map.
litres of raw ingredients will pour onto the streets of Revachol. Not the east across the river, but the west. The vulnerable, the weary.
Well, at least this solves one mystery.
What is that, Lieutenant?
Why I had to call East Motor Tract and beg them to open a drawbridge for me. I'd wondered since I first drove in, on my motor carriage.
I am sorry for the inconvenience, Lieutenant Kisaragi, but we need them trapped here. This is a unique opportunity. I'm sure you understand.
Pourquoi n'êtes-vous pas venu voir la
We
MSR?
did, on more than one occasion. Apparently, there's some sort of inter-precinct disagreement about
d'accord.
whose jurisdiction this area falls under.
We know the company has launched its own probe into the union's alleged involvement. We also know it's come up empty. It's not just the RCM. No one's been able to find any hard evidence.
Well, here's your chance, officers.
D'ailleurs, quelle preuve avez-vous qui implique le syndicat?
How do you think they're financing this strike? There are thousands of unpaid dock workers going strong for the 4th month straight.
There was a shakedown of local businesses preceding the strike. Many were squeezed to bankruptcy to fund it.
With all due respect to these desert cacti, the contents of a few cash registers cannot provide for 2,000 men. The local businesses can scarcely provide for themselves.
Donc vous pensez que la grève est financée avec le trafic d'ingrédients de base pour fabriquer des drogues?
Precisely. Smuggled out of that very gate at night, most likely, then loaded onto lorries and driven to Jamrock. You simply need to find one driver who will open up to you.
It sounds like she tried looking into it herself, but she's clearly not the type your typical
D'accord.
lorryman would confide in.
Bon,
Yes?
on va s'en occuper, sonder les chauffeurs, voir à quoi ça les mène.
Excellent. According to my reports, there are at least 3 lorry drivers lingering near the
bon.
roundabout. Hopefully one of them will know something. It may come to nothing, or it may just blow the case wide open. I can keep the drawbridge up for a few more
Quelques
days at
jours.
least.
Ok.
You should have the time you need. In the meantime, let me know if there's any other way I may be of assistance.
Bon, alors du coup... Attendez. Pour la photo.
That's the man who was killed. I'm afraid this is a discussion for once we've cleared the lynching question.
C'est quoi le lien entre le lynchage et vous qui regardez la photo?
Better not tie the 4th day to the Bat's Day on this. I hope there is something else
Mais-
I can help you with.
She wants to answer the question.
Ah, elle me répondra que
Protocol
quand on
keeps her
aura...
from
Of course, Detective.
Chien. Alors, on va se rendre au Whirling Grax. Enfin, juste se rendre parce que je suis un peu mort et du coup je pense que je vais m'arrêter là. Attends. On dirait bien que l'endroit est en construction, il y a un bail. Et surtout, on va pouvoir payer... Ouais, on va finir sur ça. Je vais aller rembourser ma dette auprès de Garth. Comme ça, on finira sur un succès finalement. Attendez. insigne, ça commence à être la méga merde. Tout ne se passe pas bien, tout ne se passe pas bien. Ah. Ah. Bon, ça y est, ils sont là. On pourra les interroger du coup. Oh, I want to go to the karaoke.
Can I help you?
Bon, à propos de l'argent que je vous
Yes. Have you got it?
J'ai votre argent. Voici 70 réals. Balancez les billets au comptoir.
Great.
balancer les billets.
Perfect. I hope you enjoy your freezing cold room with the window you broke yourself.
You've really worn down his patience. Even paying him didn't help.
I'll unlock the electronic lock to your room. All the doors lock automatically at 9 p.m.
Mais
Starting tomorrow, please pay for each night in advance. 20 real per night. If you don't have the money, it's over for you. Got it? You've got nowhere else to stay.
I'll take a room here too.
Always happy to have officers from the RCM as guests. Anything else I can do for you?
attends, du coup... Je vais aller vendre des bouteilles aux frites pour essayer d'avoir 20 $ et payer ma chambre. Voilà. Et puis la prochaine fois, donc pas ce week-end, je pense que ce sera, je pense vendredi prochain. Vendredi soir, si jamais je fais ça sur un autre soir, je préviendrai. Mais on pourra parler au syndicat, du coup. On aurait dû lui demander plus.
The tear
Alors.
machine stand. Your bottle's clunked.
C'est
You're
tout.
100% sure you got special Hobocop money for that tear. At least 100% extra. Do you know what you should do with that money, kiddo?
Ok. Désolée, je skip un peu. Il faut que je trouve encore quelques quelques bouteilles. Parce que si j'ai bien compris, si je veux pouvoir dormir là, sortez en douce quand il est couché. Ah ouais, on peut vraiment faire ça. Où sont les bouteilles? Bon, tout ça, promis, on le fera la prochaine fois. Je vais juste trouver des... Super. Des ruines recouvertes par la neige. Bon. Ah mais si, je peux pas vendre les cartes postales? Non? Tout ça pour avoir du fric. Quelle vie. Trop bien la musique aussi, un peu brutale.
Is this about the question?
Comment on fait pour les vendre?
The tear machine stands in the corner. A sign says,
Non. Est-ce que pour 20 centimes, c'est con si je peux pas rester... Enfin, pour 0,20 réal... Bon, après, j'ai pas fini tout à fait la soirée, tout ça, donc ça devrait pas poser de problème. Alors du coup, je vais me remettre dans le bar, comme ça je me souviens qu'il faut que je les interroge. Donc il y avait des... Je pense pas qu'il y avait des bouteilles par là. Il est parti, Kuno, ou il est tout le temps là? Il est tout le temps là. Fort bien. Ça nous aura fait une sympathique session de jeu où on a appris pas mal de choses en vrai. Par contre, l'intrigue et l'univers sont tellement vastes, ça me donne... je me dis, putain... Est-ce que je vais bien y arriver, tu vois? Mais y a personne à qui parler. Oh. Alors oui, est-ce que ça me permet de remonter ça? Oui, parfait. Et donc on va apprendre l'économie sociale Mazovitch. Fort bien. Et donc on va sauvegarder.